Hey guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video again. You know I am back with another video, and of course I couldn't move forward on this channel without doing the long-awaited 100K giveaway. And I am so sorry for taking so long, but I'm sure you guys understand with the wedding and everything, my life has just been madness. But with that being said, it is finally time, it's finally here, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'm so excited to get you guys engaged and give back to the people that honestly, like, I wish we could have a huge party somewhere together, but one day maybe we'll have a huge party in like Morocco or something. I don't know. Before we actually start this giveaway, I want to show you guys something that is so amazing to me and basically is a representation of everything that this channel is. I finally got my YouTube 100K plaque and I wanted to unbox it and show you guys. I've looked at it briefly, but I haven't taken it out of the box because I wanted to open it here and show you guys before I put it up on my wall. So this is basically what this YouTube gang is. So let me just show you. It has this little foam cover to protect it, and it has a nice little letter from YouTube talking about reaching 100,000 subscribers. I'm sure you've heard so many YouTubers read this out, so I'm not gonna bore you and read it out. It's just a little encouraging note. And then in the package, in this, okay, let me take it out of the plastic. So this is it. This is the 100K. Let me just put the box down, okay? Okay, let me try that again. So this is the 100K plaque. This is what's going to be going on my wall. This is all of you guys with me. Like literally here, when I look at this, I'm like, that's you, that's you. This is what it looks like. It has a little reflective mirror in there. And it says, presented to Queenie K for passing 100,000 subscribers. So obviously you guys can see that we've passed 100,000 and it's only up from here. It's crazy, it's crazy. Okay, with that being said, now let's get into this giveaway. So there's gonna be two different giveaways. There's gonna be two, or I guess technically 4 winners on Instagram and 4 winners on YouTube. If you want to enter on both YouTube and Instagram, you can, but you cannot win 2 boxes. You know, you can't win 2 prizes. So feel free to enter in both places, but you're not going to get 2 boxes of gifts, okay? Okay, so let's get into the packages. Okay, so the first box is a styling box, and the first product that is in here is the Cantu Curl Stretching Cream. I was convinced to add this because some people love Cantu and it depends on your curl pattern. So I was like, you know what, let me get a few Cantu things because I know some people like it, which is fair. I can't come on here and just share the products that only I personally use. So I want to have a different variety of stuff. So I have the Cantu Curl Stretching Cream, and I have some Shea Moisture masks, some Aunt Jackie masks, some Natural Club castor oil, and some flexi rods. So this box is basically focused around nourishing and styling your hair, so you're able to use all these things to have a nice set style that lasts you weeks and that you can kind of play around with. So I just want to give you guys tools to nourish your hair, style it, and be able to feel comfortable in it. So you can use this to do a flexi rod set, a twist out, you can do a blowout, any sort of stretch style. These products are perfect for deep conditioning, curl stretching cream, and a set rod style, some oil to seal it. Everything you need is in the box. So that is that. Okay, so let's move on to the next box. Okay, so the next box is going to be an Aunt Jackie's focused box, I guess. So another brand that I use here and there on and off. So in this box, it's going to be all about creating the signature. It's not really signature, everybody does it, but this is all about creating a hydrated, slick, smooth, natural ponytail. So if you always wonder how I get my hair into these buns, I'm gonna give you guys tools to create it yourself. So we have the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls, which is a gel. We have the Aussie Mega Moist 3-Minute Moisture, which is a deep conditioner, which you need before you go and slick your hair with some gel, I'm telling you. And then we also have a Aunt Jackie's satin scarf that will come in the box, and an Aunt Jackie's misting spray bottle. Like, you guys always ask me about these spray bottles, so I will have one of those in that box for you guys, and they all go together. And I will also actually include my edge control, my favorite edge control. I will throw one in the box as well with an edge brush, so you can be slickety slick, smooth ponytail, low bun, whatever on fleek. All right, so the next package is all Diva Curl related. And you guys know I had my Diva Curl phase, but Diva Curl is one of the brands that I know I can always fall back on that will nourish my hair, keep it safe and healthy. It's expensive and it works. So this is probably the most expensive box, let me be real. But these products are amazing, and I specifically got the Decadence line because it is good for type 4 hair. Even if you have type 3 hair, you can still use it. It's just very hydrating, so your hair will not be dry at all. So we have the the No Poo Decadence shampoo, the One conditioner, and the Deep Sea Repair hair mask. So that box in itself will bring your hair back to life. I don't need to say much. That is a great package right there. But yeah, so the final box that I'll be giving away on YouTube is the Tropical Isle box. So we have this company is what I go to for castor oil. So I want to get some sort of castor oil hair growth kind of products that would encourage your hair growth, that would kind of get somebody back into the journey of focusing on health and growth again if they need it. And yeah, and even if you're not trying to grow your hair or whatever it is, or if you're not really into that kind of stuff, you just let your hair do its thing, this is also perfect. It's nourishing for your scalp and your hair strands. So there's the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, a hair treatment mask, a protein conditioner, and hair food. So basically wash, deep condition or treat, leave in, and you can seal your ends with some hair food or your scalp, whatever you like to do with a thick pomade-like product. So those are the 4 boxes I'll be giving away on YouTube, and then on Instagram I'll be giving away 3 detangling brushes. You guys, I'll show you the detangling brush I'm talking about. And then I'll also be giving away a $50 Sephora gift card. So that will be on Instagram exclusively, but again, you cannot win both on YouTube and Instagram. So let's get to the rules. What can you do to win one of these wonderful gifts? So let me just mention on Instagram those 2 things, the Sephora gift card and the 3 detangling brushes, which will be 3 separate winners. You can just go there and follow the instructions. Follow me on Instagram and keep track with what's happening there. And honestly, if you want one of those, just go enter over there because you can't win both. And the competition is probably going to be a little bit less over there. So if you're interested in those, go ahead and do that. So when it comes to these, all you really have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know what your favorite product that you saw today is. Honestly though, you also have to be okay with receiving any one of these boxes. It will be at random. So I want whoever receives this to be happy with any single thing that they get. And if you're not interested in a couple of the things, or if you're not really interested in them, just don't enter, so then you're not disappointed when you don't get the one that you specifically want, because I want people to enter this knowing that every single thing here could be useful to them. So if you're not interested, that's okay, just stick around, we'll do more giveaways. And yeah, comment down below what your favorite product that you saw here was, just so I can kind of see who's entering. And that's basically it. If you want an extra entry on the YouTube giveaways, because there's so many of you guys, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and comment here that you followed me on Instagram and share your Instagram name. That is if you want an extra entry. So subscribe to this channel, comment down below what your favorite product that you saw was, and for an extra entry, follow me on Instagram and add to your comment what your Instagram username was, so I know who you are. So that is basically it. I hope this goes well. I hope it's not too confusing. I'll try to clarify everything in the description box and in the comments. And yeah, I think it's pretty clear. I hope so. So, oh yes, and one huge important thing. This giveaway is open to Canada and US only right now, and I am begging for all the forgiveness from my international people, because it's the worst. I know this happens all the time. You guys always get cheated out of these giveaways, but I promise you I will do a worldwide one very soon. I'm begging for your forgiveness and I'm so sorry, but we will have so many more giveaways. So that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was clear and simple. Again, I will clarify some more down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with anything. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the little notification bell, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.